How to do the Ashtami Puja. The Masik Durga Ashtami Vrat is observed month on month on the Ashtami Tithi, 8th day of Shukla Paksha, bright half of the lunar month. This is a day-long fast that stretches from morning till evening. The day is marked with a customary puja to Mother Durga as per the injunctions given in the sacred scriptures. When is it observed? Though the Durga Ashtami Vrat can be observed every month, the most important ones of the year falls on the day called Maha Ashtami or the Ashtami day occurring in the month of Ashwin. Notably, this is the time when the Shardiya Navratri festival stretching over 9 days is celebrated with great fervor. Those intending to observe Masik Durga Ashtami usually observe the month puja in a simple way while performing an elaborate puja on the Maha Ashtami. The puja. On the dedicated day of Durga Ashtami, people worship the 8 manifestations of Goddess Durga with great devotion. The dishes that are specially prepared at home and offered to Mother Durga during the puja include kheer, halwa and others. Young girl. In the Durga Ashtami puja tradition, there is a customary practice of worshipping a small girl child, denoting the 9 manifestations of Mother Durga. During the puja, the chosen girl is offered halwa puri and dakshina in a way propitiating Mother Durga. Durga Puja is dedicated to the 8th manifestation of Mother Durga, namely Mahagauri. This is one of the most benign and pleasing forms of Durga that has especially manifested to bless the devotees and relieve them of their sufferings and problems. In the typical puja setup, a ghat or holy pot is established on an altar. Usually a copper pot is advised for this, though other variations like Panchaloga, combination of 5 metals, silver or earthen pots are also allowed as per availability. The ghat is decorated with water and spices inside and mango leaves and coconut kept on top of it with the face pointing downwards. An image of Mother Durga is installed on the coconut or the ghat. Offer the idol. The observer of the vrat should take flowers in both the hands and offer at the idol of Mother Durga while chanting the divine names of Mother Gauri. This process installs the Shakti of Mother Durga in the ghat setup. The puja includes divine bath and 16 types of offerings to the idol. Panchamrit or a salad made of 5 items including curd, milk, honey, cow's ghee and sugar is the most important component of this puja. Some of the typical offerings made include fruits, dry fruits and raisins, betel leaves and nuts, cloves and cardamom. At the end of the puja, Aarti or waving of camphor is done 7 times. Washing feet. The end of the puja is marked by inviting 9 small girls, washing their feet with holy water and performing puja to them with offerings. Once all this is over, the day-long fast is completed, invoking the blessings of Mother Durga. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.